Struggling to make your perfect fried rice as a caterer? Then this video is for you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bossy. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your fried rice even as a beginner. First off, in the pot, we're just going to add our oil. Allow it to hot a bit, then you go in with your rice. Then we're just going to mix our rice together, which means we're going to fry our rice for a bit. This took a while. After that, we're just going to go in with our bay leaf and we're just going to continue stirring it until it gives us our perfect consistency, which took between 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. After that, we're just going to add our water to it. Make so it can stop frying. And then we're just going to add our stock to it, and mind you, this is our chicken stock. Then we're just going to mix together, and then time for us to go with our other ingredients. So I'm using a little bit of curry, a little bit of rosemary, ginger and garlic powder, and also our thyme with our seasoning cube and salt to taste. Then we're just going to mix everything until it is well and properly combined. Then I realized the water added is not going to be enough, so I'm just going to add a little bit of water and then cover it and allow it to boil between 20 to 25 minutes on a medium heat. After that, this is what we have. Our rice is not fully cooked, so we're just going to cover it with our steaming bag and allow it to steam for a while. While that is ready, this is our vegetables. So we're just going to remove our steaming bag, allow this to sit between 10 to 15 minutes, and I had to make sure the rice doesn't have moisture in it. So I added my carrots, then mix the bits. Then our red pepper, our yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, just the vegetables. So I'm just going to add them all. And then use my steaming bag to just cover it between 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat. After 3 minutes, I'm just going to remove my steaming bag again, and then I'm just going to stir it. While stirring your rice, I will always advise you to be a little bit careful so you don't break your rice. So I'm just going to add my spring onion, so after adding all my spring onions, so I'm also going to mix this for the last time. Then I'm just going to allow it sit for just 1 minute, and I'll just stir it gently so I don't break my rice. And at this stage, I'm opening my can, that is my kidney beans, my sweet corn, and my green pea. So this is how I do it. I'm just going to bail my rice. So while putting it inside the cooler, I'm just going to sprinkle the can vegetables to it. So I'm going to boil my rice like this and then sprinkle my canned vegetables to it, and at the end of the day, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Do not forget to recreate, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.